Lord si Jesus Christ. Babalik po siya muli mula sa langit. The Lord Himself will come down from heaven with a loud command, with the voice of the archangel, and with the trumpet call of God. And the dead in Christ will rise first. Lahat ng mga naniniwala kay Kristo na namatay, they will rise first. Sila yung unang babangon. At tayo naman, na if we're still alive, after that, nakalagay po dyan, we who are still alive and are left will be caught up together with them in the clouds to meet the Lord in the air. And so we will be with the Lord forever. Therefore, encourage one another with these words. Sa verse 30, makikita niyo yung salitang we. Then sa sa mga dulo, makikita niyo yung salitang we. 3 times so ginamit yung we. We will be with them. We will be caught up together. We will meet the Lord in the air. So, ibig sabihin, tayo, kasama ng mga natin sa buhay. We will meet again sa pagbabalik ulit ng Panginoon. This is a wonderful event that will happen on the second coming of Jesus Christ. Dito sa mundong ibabaw, meron pong dalawang realm. Yung physical realm at yung spiritual realm. Dito po sa physical realm, yung mga bagay-bagay na nakikita natin at nahahawakan. Tulad itong mic, itong lamesa, itong silya, itong building, nakikita natin lahat yan at nahahawakan kasi nasa physical realm po tayo. However, there is also the spiritual realm. Dito sa spiritual realm,